Morning po. So magta-try po tayo ng pomelo today. Yan. 98 po yung baseline natin. So it says here sa pack, it's 245 grams. So kalahati lang po yung kakainin ko. Siguro mga 100, 120 grams po. One hour na po. So kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Okay. Interesting. 136. So balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano po yung magiging final blood sugar reading. Final blood sugar na po. $114. So yun, bumaba rin naman po siya kaagad, no? 114. So medyo alanganin because of the yung first hour po, no? Pero kung 100 grams lang naman po yung kakainin and hindi naman po sasamahan ng iba, no? That would trigger a higher blood sugar spike. Then pwede naman po. Pwede naman po. So again, no? Just eat in moderation. Yun lang po yung masasabi ko when it comes to fruits, no? Kasi obviously may sugar content po yun. So yun lang po for this vlog. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.